Moringa leaves, often referred to as the miracle tree, are creating quite a buzz in the health and fitness world. But are these claims just hype? Or is there real substance to the benefits they offer? Let's dive in and explore the potential health advantages of Moringa as explained by Dr. Paul Manicum, a renowned gastroenterologist and gut health expert. The gut healer. If you're battling digestive issues or chronic acid reflux, Moringa leaves could be your new best friend. Dr. Pal suggests that these leaves not only aid digestion, but also neutralize stomach acid, providing relief for those suffering from GERD. Imagine enjoying your meals without that burning sensation. Repairing the gut lining, Moringa leaves are packed with anti-inflammatory properties, which can work wonders for your gut health. They protect and repair the gut lining, reducing chronic inflammation, especially if your digestion has been affected by stress or infections. Aiding digestion. Moringa contains glucosinolates, a type of phytochemical which can enhance digestive secretions, ensuring a smoother and more efficient digestive process. Blood sugar regulation. Here's where it gets interesting. Research suggests that Moringa leaves may offer significant support for people managing diabetes. Extracts from these leaves could help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve insulin function, and reduce the risk of damage to vital organs. This could potentially slow down the progression of diabetes and lower the chances of related complications. Say goodbye to stomach problems. Moringa leaves might be your natural remedy for gastrointestinal issues. Early studies indicate that they could reduce the risk of colon cancer and even ease constipation naturally. With their ability to limit excess stomach acid, Moringa leaves could also prevent peptic ulcers, and their anti-inflammatory properties may protect against conditions like ulcerative colitis. The potential cancer fighter. And this is the part most people miss. Moringa shows promise in cancer prevention due to its unique chemical composition. It contains niacinamide, a compound believed to hinder the growth and spread of cancer cells. Scientific studies suggest that various parts of the moringa plant, including the bark, may have cytotoxic properties, directly targeting and eliminating harmful cancer cells. While more research is needed, these findings are certainly intriguing and open up new possibilities. How to incorporate moringa into your diet. Moringa leaves can be consumed in various ways. You can eat them raw in salads, add them to cooked dishes like stir-fries and curries, or steep them in hot water to make a refreshing tea. Dried and ground moringa powder can be blended into smoothies, stirred into yogurt, or mixed with oatmeal for a nutritious boost. For convenience, moringa is also available in capsule form. Potential side effects. While moringa is often praised for its nutritional benefits, it's important to exercise caution. Excessive consumption can lead to health risks, as per WebMD. The bark of the moringa tree is unsafe and may trigger uterine contractions, so it's best avoided by expectant mothers. Research suggests that high intake of moringa could harm the liver and kidneys and potentially affect fertility. It may also interfere with certain medications, particularly sitagliptin, a diabetes medication. As with any new addition to your diet, moderation and medical guidance are key, especially for vulnerable groups. So, is moringa a miracle cure or just another health fad? The evidence suggests it has potential, but further research is needed. What are your thoughts? Do you think moringa could be a game changer for gut health and beyond? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below.